Hi guys, so today I will be unboxing this Alcatel3T10 Smart. Alright, so it says that it is a 4G tablet. So it says that it is a 4G tablet. Alright, so let's go. Oh my god. So this is the baby right here. And as always, the logo is there. Let's see what else is inside the box, because it's an unboxing video. So you have the safety and precaution manual, you have the manual, and you also get the pin to pull to insert your memory card, and I also think SIM card, because it says that is the quick guide. What is over here? You have the charger. Let's see. And you know everyone is using the new type of charger now, so that's the upgrade. Okay, and here is the plug. Good. All right, so now let us power it up. I hope it has some charge. So let's power it up to see. All right, so there is the baby. So as you can see, the power button is here, the up and down volume button, and you have the speaker, you have the plugs, and here you have, so let's see. So here you can see it uses SIM and SD. So it uses SIM card and SD. So this is one of those what will you call it, tablet phone. So you can use your SIM in it to get data service wherever you are. So start connecting to the mobile network. Okay, no SIM card is in it, so we'll skip that method and connect straight to the Wi-Fi. So let's see if any Wi-Fi popped up. Alright, let me enter this password for you guys. Bingo. So it have been connected successfully, and it is going. So put back this here, and it's very light, very light. So this tablet also came with a keyboard, a Bluetooth keyboard. So it is ideal for smartphone and tablets. Okay, so once you can use Bluetooth, let me try the bottom here. Once you can use Bluetooth, very good. So the voice came up, so you know. Okay, so this comes with it. Very nice. So lovely. So here you have it, and as always, the manual. So I think it would be stick here. Bluetooth purposes, you can type away. So you have the on button. It lets you know when it's want to charge. It let you know when it's connected to the Bluetooth, and it's also let you know when you have on cap lock. All right, so turn it off. So I love this for him because he now can do his schoolwork and all of that. So this is good. Okay, so there you have that, and it also comes with an extra case, which is good. So if he's not doing any typing, he can just insert his tablet here. I'm gonna do that. Very good. So you see, it comes well protected. Where should it comes well protected, so I should not hear that the tablet break or anything happen. because it was well protected. Very nice, very good. And he can stick his little pencils here in this part. Let's see if it have a little thing to it where, let's figure it out. Let's try and figure it out. So there you have it. He can have it rest like a little working device for him. So if you always see the tab with this, you don't know what it's for. There you go. All right, so now let's finish set it up. Don't copy anything. This, I need it brand new for him. No, let he go brand new, start over. A child should only have one email address. You know, you don't have confusion. You know it or you don't know it. If you have one, definitely you will know it. All right, so I'll skip this process and allow him to do all of that. We just want to get inside and see what it's like. Allow scanning. He can do all of the above. Accept. All right, it says that he should set a password. Next. So it's instantly asks you for a password. So whether you want it or not, it's going to instantly say protect your device. And what I don't like about asking for a password, it did not ask for a backup. What if you forget your password? You're going to have to wipe everything all over, right? So there you have it, guys. The unboxing of the Alcatel. You can allow messages. Yes, here you have it. Beautiful wide screen. Let's see, how do we okay, there you have it. Comes with Netflix. It comes with an office suite, YouTube as always. Here's the Play Store, Facebook, calendar, maths. It have its assistant, so you need some help, quick press a button and go to help me reach to so as you know, it is a smart tab. Until you sign into your Gmail, you won't get access to that. Let's hear the sound and see how loud it is. You know, we're testing it out. Let's go. Quick and fast, nothing, no more than a few seconds. Let's hear how loud it is. What happened here? Did I YouTube it? Oh, here it is. They're downloading some software in the background, so we're gonna have to wait. All right, so I did not like how this start out. Close up. Okay, let's go again. So as you can see, some software is downloading in the background. I think that's what caused it, but I just want to hear how loud it is. Okay, good to go. No more than that. We need no copyright anywhere. All right, guys, so there you have it. I loved it. And I know he will love it too. All you have to do now is just take care of it, help him to do his schoolwork, and be of no bother to anyone. The good part about it, you can put on his Google Classroom, do his CXC, etc, etc, etc. One thing that I never get to check before I go is the storage. Let's see how good of a storage it is. All right, so it have 23 gig free, and it have a 8 gig memory. You use up 8 gig, Yeah, so you have a little space on it. So call it, say it come with 30 gig. All right, so there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching the Alcatel 3T10 Smart. Please remember to hit that subscribe button, like the video.